How to track any lost phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can track any lost phone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. So before your phone is lost, you will need to ensure some settings. So that is, you will need to download an app, which will just head over to our Google Play Store, search for Find My, and you'll find this Google's Find Hub. So install this app and then set it up. So this is the app right here. Tap on it. And now continue with your Google account. So after you're on this page, you're basically good to go. You can make sure device can be located. And now what you need to do is, after your device is lost, open up a web browser from any other laptop or any other device. Head over to android.com/. Now you'll need to simply type in find and hit enter. So after you are on this website, just let it load. And if you're already connected to your Google account from this, you will be able to just locate it. Now you can tap on the play sound option. So it will also show you the location of where the phone is. If you tap on the play sound option, it will start making sound. You'll also find a secure device option, which you can use to lock your device and signs you out. Also lets you display a message. If you tap on erase or factory reset device, it'll start wiping out all the data from your device. This is the last resort, so don't use it if you're not sure if you'll get it back or not. So if you're sure that you won't be getting back your device, simply tap on factory reset device. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you track any lost phone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.